Is this the smallest spy drone ever discovered? Let's investigate. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and if you enjoy this kind of content, then hit that subscribe button now. Anyway, a video's been circulating online and it's been seen by tens of millions already, with a headline stating, "Drone insects caught spying in Africa." The video's been featured in shorts on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and elsewhere, and what an impressive little thing it is. But not all is as it seems. It's not a drone, it's not a device, it's certainly not electronic, it's just a bug. Scams like this keep popping up, generally to try and give drones a bad name, but this isn't anything suspicious or untoward, it's just a fly. Fortunately, glancing through the comments on the video, very few viewers have actually fallen for this scam or hoax, and many can see straight through it and see that it's actually just an insect and one of nature's wonders. But they're just the comments of people that have seen it and can see through the lie. There will be many millions that have seen it and think that it's real, and hence why this thing has become viral and why it's spread so rapidly. So looking into more detail, what actually is this? Well, I did a quick Google, and from doing so, it led me to a species called Cuterebra ruflicus, also known as the bot fly, which is perhaps a little ironic with the term bot often used to insinuate robot. It was first identified and discovered in 1933, and they are a species actually native to the USA, but are very rarely found, which is why hardly anybody will have ever seen one of these before. Without question, it's a fascinating looking little bug, and you can kind of see why people might be mistaken to think that it's a man-made device, because it doesn't look like it's a natural little fly. It looks like it's made of carbon fibre and plastics. And it's pretty menacing looking. I certainly wouldn't want to wake up with one of these sat staring at me. So there you go, it's not a drone, it is just a fly, but it's a really cool video and I love investigating things like this. So if you have any topics that you want DroningON to dig into and analyse to see whether they're real or not, send them over via email to ash@droningon.co or drop a comment below with a link to what you'd like me to scrutinise. Comment below if you've seen this video and if you have friends or family that fell for it, and be sure to share this video to put them right. Thanks very much for watching.